Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Microsoft icons not showing on Windows 11. First, open File Explorer on your Windows 11 PC. Now, click on the three dots and select Options. Here, go to the View tab and find the option that says Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails. Make sure this option is unchecked. Now, click on Apply and then click on OK. Once this is done, you can rebuild the icon cache. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run window. Now type this and press Enter. This will open the App Data folder. From here, go back to the App Data folder and open the local folder. Now, open the Microsoft folder, then open Windows and select the Explorer folder. Here, find the files that start with icon cache and delete them. Once the files are deleted, close the window and restart your computer. Windows will rebuild the icon cache automatically after the restart. That's it. Your Microsoft icons should now appear correctly on Windows 11. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.